Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user code on your Honeywell or your TrueBolt keypad door lock in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, on your Honeywell or your TrueBolt keypad, you just have to simply enter the 6-digit programming code. Now, this is the master code that is used to manage the lock settings and the user codes. So if the code that you have entered is accepted, the lock will enter programming mode and it will also provide a confirmation after a beep and it will also flash green. Now, once this is done, you just have to simply press the button sequence for the user code detection. Now, on many of the Honeywell and the TrueBolt keypad models, you just have to simply press 3 after entering your 6-digit programming code. Then you just have to simply press the unlock button that is given over here. After pressing the unlock button, you are going to get access to the delete user code option. So then you need to enter the 4-digit user code that you want to delete. After confirming the code, the lock should beep and it will also flash green in order to basically indicate that the code has been successfully removed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.